Hello, guys. I'm always happy to have you guys around watching my channel, watching the tutorials that I upload on my channel. Keep it up and thank you. The name still remains Sidako, and today we are going to look at 5 things you don't know WhatsApp app can do. You understand? 5 things that you don't know WhatsApp app can do. Stick and stay, I'll be right back. We all know what WhatsApp is not for So if you want to prevent people from knowing or seeing that they have read their message, just simple, guys. Just turn off the read receipt. Now, how do you do this? All that you need to do is that go to settings, and then when you go to settings, go to account and go to privacy and go to what you call read receipt. This is what we have here. Mine is already on because I'm very serious about this. So this is the read receipt I'm talking about. So all that you need to do is just tap it. You turn it off rather. So if you turn this off, you won't send or receive read receipt. Read receipts are always sent for group chat. So in this case, when someone sends a message, the person will not be able to know if you have read or not. The fourth thing that we are going to talk about is customized chat notification. Sometimes you get a message and then you don't know, you can't decipher between a group message and an individual or personal message. So all that you need to do is that you can customize your chat notification in a way that whenever you get a message from someone, you know this is an individual message and this is a group message. So if you want to do this, just follow me. You can actually pick a group, go to the group info. So first tap on the group, go to the group info, and then go to customize notification here. You see it's here. So under group, customize notification, and tick on use customized notification, and then you go to the notification tone and you select the tone that you want to play for your group. So if I select, let's say this one, anytime I get a group message, this tone will have to come. That is chocolate. Good. So by so doing, if I do that for only a group, I can also do so for my individual group messages, which I can say notification, and the notification I can go to, this is message. So this is the message for the tone for a personal message, and the other one is for a group. So in this case, whenever someone sends me a group message, it is chocolate that will come. So I'll be able to decipher between the two. This is a group message and this is a personal message. The last thing that we need to look at is WhatsApp web. There are so many of you who always work on different platforms such as Android, Apple, etc. Sometimes you are working on your mobile phone and you do not want to reply messages on your mobile phone. So all that you need to do is just connect your mobile device to your laptop, and you'll be able to reply messages from your laptop whilst you are using your mobile device. So if you want to do this, just go to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. So when you go to your browser, just type in web.whatsapp.com, and then when you type in that, you will be greeted with, if you are using mobile phone, make sure you check your desktop site version there. So you'll be greeted with this, which will tell you to use WhatsApp on your computer. Just have to open your WhatsApp on your phone and then you connect using the QR code scanner. So this is how, or these are the 5 steps that you need to do, or you didn't know WhatsApp to be able to do. Now this helps you to catch a glimpse of all your chats and who have sent you message and all that. So guys, I appreciate you watching to this end. Make sure you like, comment and share my videos. Subscribe to the channel and become part of the Sidakotechlab family. See you in the next episode.